We go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, what's up?
Let's go.
That's why I came out to see if they were the same as last year.
They are.
Okay.
So they're boring. It's beautiful with the I wasn't impressed because probably 10 years ago we were at the bottom of the mountain. And it was like they were exploding right over there. Where are you going? Everybody knows.
Who's doing all the shooting out here?
It's ice.
Yeah. I love it.
The 30 miles. I live off that. There's going to be
You guys are late. Come on. What's up here? Don't you know what time it is?
It's time to party. And this is the fireworks going on here at the Southern Springs Mountain Resort here in Champion, Pennsylvania. The night before the 4th of July, July the 3rd, 2025. And of course inside you're hearing the music in the background. That's the Lenny Gomulka and Chicago Bush is playing inside while we're watching the fireworks outside here. And of course we got the 50th annual Polka Fireworks Extravaganza weekend going on here. It all started on Wednesday night with Ryan Joseph and the Nashville All-Star Jam Band alternating with Junior and the Bush, part of that Mon Valley Bush. They both did a good job. Earlier today was the pool party, Polka pool party, first of two that Kenny Olwin, the DJ, was hosting and spinning the tunes and so forth. And of course we got great music going on this evening, this evening with the Lenny Gomulka and the Bush, Frankie Liska and Blue Magic, and Michael Costa and the Beat on their farewell tour. And more music tomorrow with PCAS, Buffalo Constantino All-Stars, the Dynabrass, Crusade with Eddie Viegai, John Gordon Garale. And of course tomorrow afternoon they'll have the Litwin Constantina Jam going on. And then of course on Saturday is the second pool party. And that has the Dynabrass playing that from 10 to 1 or 10 to 1:30 in the morning, 10 a.m. to 1:30 in the afternoon. And of course there's the volleyball tournament that'll be going on starting at 9 a.m. And then of course the last day of the music on Saturday, Larry Trojak's Living Up Jam Band, alternating with Dennis Liska and the Maestros then. And of course the night encore performance from Lenny Gomulka and Chicago Bush and Polka Family.
Woo!
So we hope you folks are going to be able to join us if you can for the remainder of the festival. If not, make plans to attend next year's one, as it'll be the 51st annual edition. And with that thus ends the fireworks. So we hope you enjoyed that and enjoy the rest of the 4th, everyone. Happy 4th of July and happy birthday, America. God bless America. God bless the USA.